Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about this new client getting gel extensions using dual forms. And this client reached out to me wanting to start from scratch again and trying gel extensions and wanting for me to help her with her brittle, very thin nails. And she just wasn't sure if she wanted to get square or almond, and then she decided to get almond, and she went for a beautiful nude almond, soft almond look. Keep watching if you would like to see me achieve this beautiful soft almond look with dual forms and hard gel from the gel bottle. I started this manicure after filing and buffing really well by using this Frostum diamond bit on forward mode and 15 RPMs. I was able to record going reverse. When I was going forward, I actually forgot to hit play on my cell phone, and I wasn't able to get that shot, but just to demonstrate to you guys that I did use it on all fingers and on forward and reverse. And now I'm going in with this diamond safety, I call it safety tip bit, because the tip, it's not too pointy and it's not too sharp. So I like using this bit, especially when it's a new client like this one, because I don't know her skin. I'm getting to know her skin. I'm getting to know her cuticles, and also so that we can get her cuticles used to getting Russian manicures. At this point, I am trimming the cuticles with a Russian scissors, and you guys are going to be able to see that I'm not going in too deep and trimming cuticles very deep, because again, I don't know the client's skin and she isn't used to getting Russian manicures, even though she was willing and excited to get it. But still, with new clients, I don't like to go this deep until I get to know the skin better and also get her nails and cuticles and skin used to getting this type of manicure. After trimming all cuticles, I went back and I worked the cuticles again with the safety flame diamond bit and opened up that pocket again on a little bit deeper level, and I went in and with the ball bit I went and polished anything that I couldn't get with the cuticle scissors, and I perfected that cuticle area so it could come out nice and neat and very smooth. And after applying a very thin coat of rubber base from the gel bottle, we are proceeding now with the application of the dual forms. And I want to tell you guys that I am using a striper brush, and this is the first time I use a striper brush to apply the hard gel on the dual form. I just wanted to test this and see how it feels, if it feels more of a better application where I can control the product and distribution of the product on the dual form. And I tell you guys, I do like it better than applying the product on the dual form with a brush, with a gel brush, just because again I feel like I have a better control of the distribution of the product on the dual form. So I am liking this technique just a little bit better, and it is working for me so far. By the way, I am using the gel pot number 5 from their nudes collection. This is a hard gel with medium viscosity, and this is what my client picked. She wanted a kind of like a beige nude for her nails, and it turned out really pretty. This is actually the most grabbed and the most picked from my clients. And now I'm proceeding by applying a nail form on the thumbs because I did not have a proper size for the thumbs. The thumbs were too wide, and this is a typical thing when I do extensions with this box, with this brand. I need to have another brand. If any of you can recommend another brand that has wider space to do the extensions, I would greatly appreciate it. If any of you can recommend another brand, you can go ahead and list it in the comment section below. After filing and smoothing out the nails and building the shape that she wanted, I proceed by doing a gel overlay over the entire nail. And I do that because I don't like the nail flat. I like it to have the natural apex structure. I am now top coating with Extreme Shine top coat, like always, from the gel bottle. Then giving a very light and smooth finish file to just smooth out the ending shape, perfect that definition. And the last step for this manicure is crucial for me because this just gives it that little touch to have like the perfect definition for the end results. I am cleaning on the bottom of the nails and just removing any excess of material that I had left there, and just makes a whole world of a difference. If you have not tried this step, I encourage you to try it, and you will see the results. You will see the difference at the end of your manicure, and you're gonna thank me later. And here's the end results, guys. I hope you liked and was able to enjoy and also learn something in this video. Thank you so much for watching. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to all these new subscribers and for liking my videos and sharing. I see your comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.